In today's video, we will demonstrate how you can easily connect your Facebook to Google Sheets using Viasocket so that every time there's a new lead form sign up on Facebook, there will be an entry in Google Sheet so that you can keep records of all the Facebook lead ad form signups. Getting started with Viasocket is super easy. Just visit the official website link to which is in the description box and click on login. Sign in using your Google account and then click a workspace if you have one, or you can create a new workspace if you don't have any. To begin with workflow automation, start by clicking on the Create New Flow button. We will begin by choosing a trigger first. A trigger is what sets your workflow in motion. Here, first you will have to choose the application. It is going to be Facebook in this case. In that, you can choose the trigger. Here I am choosing new lead ad form sign up. Connect the Facebook with simple clicks. Here I already have one connection, but if you want to make one, you will require to use your Facebook ID in which your ads are running. Now select the form response of which you want in your Google Sheet. And then click on the test button to generate a sample response. This sample response will help you test the trigger if it is working fine, and also the sample response that it has generated will help us in mapping the dynamic data in our actions section. Click on the create button to save the trigger. Next, we will add the step, that is all the actions that you want Viasocket to perform once the trigger is hit. Here I am choosing the Google Sheets application, and in that I am choosing new row. Again, connect the Google Sheets with few simple clicks. I already have the connection built in, but if you don't have any, you will have to choose an account of yours and give Viasocket the permission to access. Give your connection a name, but this is totally optional. Now choose the spreadsheet you want the entries to be in. Here, to map the dynamic data, make use of the small plus button. In the body, you will get all the sample response that was generated by the trigger. Here, you can map the dynamic data for respective fields. Click on the test button if the dynamic data is getting fetched correctly or not. It is. Now click on the create button to save the step. Give your flow a nice name, and if you choose not to, then our AI can do it for you. Click on the publish changes button to launch your flow in the real world. Once the flow is published, we will wait for the hits on our trigger. Once we have received them, we will check the data that we have received in our hits. Here you can see that through the view history button. This is all the data that you have received. And now we will verify if there's a Google entry with the same data or not. And you can see that we have all the desired entries in our Google Sheets. You see how easy it is to connect two applications when you have Viasocket with you. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more such automation tutorials.